let's start. Imagine it's 1976. There's no internet, there's no cell phone, no pager, nothing. So technology is pretty basic. My dad was a pilot. So it's 1976, he comes back from the States, he brings a flyer for a teaser for an upcoming movie, which was Star Wars. And there was a pre-order there of the action figures. Kasi before, when you order something abroad especially, meron mga mail-in coupons yan. And this was for the action figures. So I asked my dad if he could send it from me, and he said no. So, doing a long story short, next time he flew again to the States and he got back, he brought me a my first Star Wars toy. And he got my sister also a Star Wars board game. And this was like when the movie came out already in 1977. My first Star Wars toy that I will never forget was a lightsaber. And it was so generic, it was so simple. Ang lightsaber noon, 1977 it was a flashlight with a tube and an inflatable balloon. And it was colored yellow. Go figure, you know? And that was my very first hands-on with Star Wars merchandise in the movie. But it's a completely different story because I was just amazed by it. So after that, even the comic books that came out, the artworks of Ralph McQuarrie, it was just an incredible experience. Being part of one of those first few who really got into Star Wars. Yes, I've updated my collection. Right now, I have a personalized lightsaber and some movie replicas, but present day, the most exciting experience for me, Star Wars experience, even you can ask my daughter, was something that made me cry. This was in Disneyland. And there's this Galaxy's Edge. There's this experience wherein you'll pay an X amount and you'll make your own lightsaber.
Yes.
You choose your cyber crystal, you choose your hilt, you choose everything, even the color of the blade. And it's not what you're buying, but it's the experience that they're selling. It's like a 30 to 45 minute experience wherein you'll have a guide teach you how to make, and it really immerses you in it. It was incredible.